In this series, I take on a solo road trip from Portugal back to my home country, Sweden, after spending 6 months living and working remotely in my self-converted van. As I make my way back north, I reflect on the experiences gained while exploring the many beautiful places along the way. In the last video, I began my journey from southern Portugal, ending up at the tallest waterfall in the country. So join me as I continue my journey, navigating uncertain circumstances while uncovering the hidden beauty of northern Portugal. Enjoy. Good morning. Today it's Monday. Just had my morning meetings. The weather is absolute horror. Super windy, rain, cold. The idea was to go to the bottom of the waterfall, but I was hoping for better weather. So yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do now. It's supposed to get sunny tonight. Still cold though. So yeah, that's kinda setting the exploration and adventure on its head. So I guess today I'm just gonna focus on work. I don't know if I'm gonna go back to the place with electricity. I'm not getting a lot of sun, so I might have to. We'll see. I'll take things as it goes. That's kind of how it goes with this lifestyle. So I might have to move though, because I'm scared I might get stuck because it's getting really wet and I'm parked on grass right now. So I think actually I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm having a little bit of decision anxiety how to navigate this weather. Very beautiful out here, even in this weather, and it's supposed to be sunny tomorrow and tonight. So I think I'll at least stay until the end of my work day, and then we'll see how the weather is by then. I might need electricity, but then I can just as well go tonight. Kinda keen on doing a cold plunge. That will have to be after work. It's my lunch break right now. I don't have a watch, so I don't know why I looked at my arm, but yeah, I think I'm gonna stay. Cold, yes, but it's beautiful. Alright, so I just finished working for the day. I have decided that I'm going for a cold plunge in the small stream of water that I saw. But I mean, it's cold, I'm not gonna lie. But you know, we gotta step outside our comfort zone. That's when the magic happens. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. I'm doing this. Oh god, this is gonna be so cold. Oh god. Oh, okay. I'm already cold. Okay, okay. Woo! Woo! Okay. Okay. It's cold. Okay, I'm gonna sit down. Ooh. 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 Okay, we're gonna lay down. We're gonna lay down. Ooh. 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 Okay. Okay. Woo! Woo! Okay. We did it. Woo! Okay. That was cold. But I feel so alive. I feel good. That was amazing! Woohoo! Oh my god, look at this. I moved and here they are again. I think they like me. They're my new family. My hands are freezing. I'm so glad I have my heater. My hands are so cold. There we go. That's better. Whew. I feel incredible. If you haven't gone for a cold plunge this week, you should go. It's so worth it. Get out of your comfort zone, man. That's where the magic happens. It's true. Okay, so I saw this lake or reservoir kind of thing on the map. I want to explore it, so I'm gonna try to find my way there. Oh my god. Wow, that was just incredible. Another happy accident. I can't start to emphasize how many of these magical moments have happened because I decided to make this video. It's crazy. It's like the moment you listen to your heart and tune out your ego, your doubt, your fear, it just gives back, you know? So that evening, I ended up going back to the spot with electricity from the last video and spent my next day working from there. As the sun finally came out, I decided that I would use my lunch break to get some movement into my day. One of the upsides to living and traveling in a van is that you're basically able to go for a run in a new place every day. That's also a great way to explore your surroundings because I often find myself stumbling onto places I would have never seen otherwise. What a view! Makes me think of something someone said. Life happens to you when you do, not when you think. And it's such a testament when you're traveling like this that you just gotta get out there and things are gonna happen. Places are gonna show up. But if you just sit in your van and just plan, you're not really gonna see anything. So just get out there and keep moving. All right, I think I'm gonna keep the run short today. I think I'm gonna do some push-ups and sit-ups because it's been a while. On the other hand, what's been challenging for me has been to create a consistent routine of going to the gym. Since I'm moving around so much, I would have to basically find a new gym wherever I am and never really be able to get a long-term membership. There's definitely been moments where I've missed that stability, but for the most part, I've enjoyed doing my outdoor workouts like this. It's just a nice way to get outside and stay connected with the nature around you. So I just finished working for the day. It's a beautiful day out, so I decided I'm gonna go back to the waterfall. After that, I don't think I'll be coming back here, so I thought I would do the least glorious thing of van life and empty my toilet here since it's available. And I'm also gonna fill up my water. Then we're gonna head back to the waterfall on the mountain. Let's go. This is where I fill my water. I actually still need to get a hose for quicker filling, but I just haven't gotten to it. Still, after 6 months. This works too, it's just a bit slower. It's peaceful, you know. In the beginning, I wanted to be able to drink the water from my water tank. I have a 40-liter water tank, but now I don't do that anymore. I don't think it's a good idea. I don't have any filter or anything. It tastes like shit, so that's the biggest reason. And this is my toilet. Once I was done with the chores of van life, it was time to get back on the road. But rather than going back to a place I'd already been, I decided to head towards another waterfall in the area. That did not quite go as planned. I went into the wilderness in hope of finding a waterfall. Instead, I found something else. Goats. Yep. And it's kind of funny because recently goats have become a symbol of the unexpected miracles that happen once you step into the unknown. It's not the first time I've stumbled onto goats on this trip, which is, yeah, it's kind of weird. Surprise, surprise, Google Maps sent me on the completely wrong side of everything. No waterfall here, but I'm gonna get back in the car and drive around. And hopefully better luck on the other side. As I arrived at this beautiful natural area and majestic waterfall, I found myself completely alone, surrounded only by the sound of the trees, the birds and the water. And that day, I realized something. I explored a deeper part of my passion for creativity and how it connects to my relationship to nature. I discovered a profound love for just being alone in nature with my camera. No phone, no distractions, just me, nature, and my creativity. I realized this is where I find the most authentic version of myself. I think I'm gonna wrap up the video here. It's been some incredible days here in the north of Portugal, but I've also realized that I really need to get going. I need to be taking the ferry from Germany to Sweden in 2 weeks and 2 days. So I have quite the journey ahead of me. I'm a little bit stressed about it because I also want to explore a bit more here and then a bit more in the north of Spain. But I think that will have to wait for the next video. It's gonna be interesting to see how that goes. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.